Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the text option, edit option, be right time. Select the size, adjust the size, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color. And then select the size option, adjust the font. With the letters, select the copy option, change the color, select the color option. Save the shape, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Change the background, select the color, adjust the color. Copy the letters, select the copy option. Select the more button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the shape. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.